Hey, Sam Manor from Little's Travel Training. So I'm down here at Smithfield and I'm here with Ben, and he just bought himself a 1965 Mini Cooper.
That's correct.
Yes? No, it's just a Mini Cooper.
I wish.
You wish. Anyway, so he's called us up and he said, look, Sam, I want to get some seat belts in it. So we had a look at what belts we want to get into it. Being a white top, so have a look at this. So it's a white top with a sort of olive color. So it was going either with a black belt or go something different, and so we decided to go with the Ivy. Now, I did another video when it was just standard black, but you've got to see the transformation of this car. Absolutely classic, not plastic. So I want to show you inside the car, so come and follow. All right, inside here. Now, you may have to wear gloves with these seat belts, but have a look at the static lap-sash. Not just lap-sash, but they're also the Concourse webbings. The Concourse webbing are the classics. We've got the ripples through it, and you've got the chrome buckles with the red on it. Look how magic that actually looks against the green. I mean, seriously, I mean, you're getting some belts. It's all about the color of the seat belt. I know it's white. Ben said he's going to be wearing the Michael Jackson gloves. Okay, and that's okay. Yes, love it. So anyway, and they hook up. You can see up here, they just hook up onto the buckle there, which means you don't have belts sitting outside the car. Also, I'm going to lift this up and get into the back there. So let me get in the back there, mate. Yep. All right, so have a look at this. So what we've done for Ben is not only put the static, so with the minis, you cannot put the seat belts on the outside position because it's not welded here. All the welding is in this section right along here and at the back there. And so the strengthening part's from the middle. So we have to put them in the middle and go out with them. Again, you've got the buckles there, but also put a couple of restraint points because he's going to put his child seats in here because he wants to take his kids for a run on Sunday. So Sunday morning, again, they pack away so neatly, locking in. You can see how that all works and looks so nice. I mean, you don't want children with grubby hands, that's for sure. But anyway, we're going to put them with the car seats. And again, they hook up on the top there, nice and easy. And look at that, just pull up nice and neat. Everything sits nice and neat. So if you're going for one of those runs with all the show cars, well, that's how it's going to look when you're in there. So you've got 2 anchor points, the 2 static lap-sash, 2 static lap-sash at the front. I'm telling you, this is a classic. It looks great against the green. So if you've got any sort of classic car and you want the Concourse webbing, the chrome buckles, well, call me, Sam at Little's, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Great job, Sam.
Thanks,
you very
man.
much.
All good.